Welcome back to Courtroom Chronicles, and buckle in because what you're about to see is a jaw-dropping case of crime, probation, and second chances, all colliding in a single courtroom. At the center of this case is Brianna Mitchell, a woman accused in connection with a manslaughter charge facing the reality of prison time, probation violations, and a tragic personal backstory. The stakes? A possible 10-year sentence. And the decision lies in Judge Boyd's hands. Now here's the twist. Not only is Brianna pleading to a lesser-included offense of manslaughter, but as you'll soon see, her record includes multiple probation violations, a connection to a violent crime, and even ties to federal prison time. This isn't just about whether she goes free or goes to prison. It's about whether the system believes she deserves another chance. So let me ask you, if someone violates probation repeatedly, should the judge show mercy, or is prison the only option? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because as this hearing unfolds, you'll see just how complicated justice can be.
Ms. Mitchell, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you electronically sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of manslaughter? The range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled Plea Bargain Agreement page. Did you review that page with your attorney and did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the agreement, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of manslaughter. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine, and the state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 10 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, parenting classes, and CPS compliance. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence to support the defendant's no contest plea?
State offers Exhibit 1.
Any objection?
No objection.
All right. Defense, anything you want to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, we just ask that you follow the plea bargain, please.
All right. Someone want to tell me why did this happen?
Are you asking why she was a part of the offense?
The
Or what?
offense, yes. I mean, I read the police report. I always want to know what were people thinking.
Tell
I don't know. I was scared.
All right. If you drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Maybe clean.
All right. Have you ever used drugs in the past?
In the past, yes.
What have you used?
Marijuana, meth, and shrooms.
All right. And this CPS compliance, is there an open CPS case?
Yes, Your Honor. She is in compliance as we speak.
How old are your children?
Oh, she-
Kaylin, she's 11 months.
You only have one child?
Yes, Your Honor.
One of my twins passed.
Okay. All right, the court will sentence you then to 10 years in prison, suspended and probated for 10 years, $1,500 fine, probated. CPS compliance, parenting classes, UA hotline. Are you employed?
Not currently, no.
How are you supporting yourself?
Well, my family's been helping me out.
How old are you?
I'm 28. I just lost one of my twins, so I've just been trying to do the grieving counseling and stuff.
So you're receiving counseling for that?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm sorry that happened. All right, this is what the court is going to do. As previously stated, sentence you to 10 years in prison, suspended and probated for 10 years, $1,500 fine, probated, CPS compliance, parenting classes, the UA hotline, proof of employment within 60 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or minor. And if there is a counselor, Mr. Piddle, who says that at this point in time, she's not able to work because of the tragedy, they'll need to provide proof of that to probation. We're going to want field visits 2 times per month, random. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Probation, is there anything else that Ms. Mitchell needs?
No, ma'am.
Ms. Mitchell, is there anything else that you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Ms. Mitchell, you're going to have to start making better choices in your life. Otherwise, you may find yourself in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you Brianna Mitchell?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Brianna Renee Mitchell who was placed on community supervision in 2020 CR 4098A for the offense of manslaughter on December 10th, 2021 for a term of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Yes, Judge, violated condition number 1 on or about the 8th day of September 2022 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Brianna Renee Mitchell, committed the offense of possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1, in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Violated condition number 1 on or about the 8th day of September 2022 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Brianna Renee Mitchell, committed the offense of fail to ID fugitive intent to give false information in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Violated condition number 1 on or about the 8th day of September 2022 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Brianna Renee Mitchell, committed the offense of evade arrest or detention in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
We'll waive the other violations.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
None.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violations 1, 1, and 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $1,500 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 1, 1, and 1?
Yes.
The court will find 1, 1, and 1 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Judge, we're asking that you grant the motion, revoke her probation, and sentence her to 10 years in TDC. In addition, Judge will be taking into consideration cause numbers 2022 CR 10345B, County Court cause number 692652, County Court cause number 692653.
Is that the agreement, defense?
It is, Your Honor, and I believe I may have made a clerical typo on the certificate of appeal. I may have put the I may have put the case in TIC instead of the NPR. That's my mistake.
Yes. No, I'll correct that. Is there any objections to the court correcting that with the proper cause number?
None from the defense. And if I may put something else on the record, Your Honor.
Yes.
This offense was created during a time where Ms. Mitchell was on federal release, supervised release. She has federal back time, and post the offense, she did time in federal prison. I have some dates if I could put those on the record.
Yes.
She was in custody in federal prison or federal custody on April 18th, 2016, where she was sentenced November 17th, 2016. And she was not released until April 3rd, 2020. When she was released, April 3rd, 2020, it was supervised release. And there was a revocation hearing. And she has federal custody time from February 18th, 2022 to April 13th, 2022. And we ask that she be given credit for federal time in addition to the Bexar County time.
So you're asking for credit from April 18th, 2016 to April 13th, 2020?
We are, and I did explain to my client that is prior to the offense date, but she was still in custody post that also, and that it's the court's discretion to award time.
So with regards to the dates from April 18, 2016 to April 13, 2020, was this case open on a motion to revoke or no?
I don't believe it was on a motion to revoke.
All right, was this case pending?
I have to.
Right,
I can
so-
check one moment, Your Honor.
Okay, so that's what I want to know about that. But with regards to the February 18th to 2020, I'm sorry, February 18th, 2022 to April 13th, 2022, this was pending, correct?
Yes.
All right, so she will definitely receive credit for those dates. I just need to check on the April 18th date. All right. Well, it appears, Ms. Sparks,
Yes, Judge.
on this case, I'm being informed by the clerk that this case was actually on the system January 2nd, 2016.
Yes, Judge, that's what our computer shows.
Okay, so we can go back on the record burner. So are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
Yes.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then the court is finding 1 and 1 true. The court will follow your agreement, revoke, sentence you to 10 years in the prison, take in consideration 2022 CR 10345B, County Court Cause number 692652, 692653. Give you credit for any time served, and the court will give you the credit served in federal custody from April 2016 to April 3rd, 2020, and February 18th, 2022 to April 13th, 2022. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
No, Judge.
Nothing from defense.
All right, good luck. We can go off the record. I saw in this case where parenting classes were ordered for you. So here's the thing, someone else is taking care of your child. When you are released from prison, and at some point you will be, do not go up to the house acting as though, here I am, let me put my rules in place and disregard whatever rules have been set for your children. You understand? You're gonna have to humble yourself. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
This is a murder arrest on a 2016 case. January 2nd of 2016, the suspect who you just saw, Brianna Mitchell, Brianna Mitchell. She and Daniel Jimenez had shot and killed, or let me say again, Brianna Mitchell had driven the vehicle when Daniel Jimenez shot and killed the victim in this case, Daniel Sinfield, a gentleman in his late 30s, early 40s, on January 2nd, 2016. It appears that this was stemming from an earlier disagreement between the other suspect in this case and the victim, Mr. Sinfield, where Sinfield had actually fired a weapon in the general direction of Jimenez, the suspect. Later, a couple of days later, the suspect engaged the help of this other suspect, Mitchell, in driving him over to a residence where Daniel Sinfield was located. Sinfield was out in the front yard doing some work on his car when the vehicle driven by Ms. Mitchell drove up to the victim. The suspect in the case, the other suspect in the case, Mr. Jimenez, actually leaned out the window and shot the victim one time, and he died there on the scene. The two suspects in this case, Jimenez and Mitchell, both actually went to federal prison for several years on an unrelated drug charge. Ms. Mitchell just got out of federal prison this past week, and she and Mr. Jimenez were both indicted for the murder case. The other suspect in this case, Mr. Jimenez, is due to get out of federal custody in 2021, and he will also.
And that's it. The gavel comes down, and Brianna Mitchell is officially sentenced to 10 years in prison with credit for her previous federal time. The courtroom journey we just witnessed was more than legal formalities. It was a deep look into the consequences of bad choices, the tragedy of loss, and the limits of second chances. The judge's final words hit especially hard. You're going to have to start making better choices in your life, or you may find yourself in prison. That's not just advice for Brianna. It's a warning to anyone who thinks probation is a free pass. So what do you think? Was justice served here? Did the court do the right thing in balancing her violations with her tragic past? Or should the outcome have been different? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Courtroom Chronicles for more real courtroom breakdowns that reveal the drama, emotions, and tough decisions behind every case.